Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're already subscribed, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 12-3-30 and how it changed my life and how it could also change your life as well. If you want to learn how I did it, then please keep watching. Okay, now let's discuss 12-3-30 and what it is. So for the last year, I've been doing this cardio workout. You've seen it all over TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. It is called 12-3-30. It consists of going on the treadmill, having a 12 incline, a 3 speed for 30 minutes. It was actually made known by fellow YouTuber Lauren Giraldo. I put her handle right here. You guys can check out her videos and see her journey as well. I used to do this workout 3 times a week along with my regular workout. Ever since February, I have been doing it every single day, Monday to Friday. So I do it right after my stretches. I do it for 30 minutes and then I do an additional 15 minutes at the 2.5 speed to do like a light jog. I actually discovered that Miss Kylie Jenner actually does that as well, and once I found that out, I was so excited. I made a TikTok and I'll insert it right now. So after I do my cardio workout, I do one of my 3 weighted workouts or body workouts, and I focus on either my legs and my butt, abs and my legs, or my arms and my back. So I usually do my weighted workouts first, and then I do my body workouts after. And then by the end of it, I am busted and I'm ready to go home. So I was actually going through a very hard time and I kind of needed like an escape. So I decided to start really focusing on me, my mind, and my body. And the first thing I wanted to focus on was, aside from like the mind, was my physical self. So I started going to the gym. Some days would definitely be harder than others, but once I started taking it serious, I actually looked forward to going to the gym. I think 12-3-30 really helped me. It was something I could do every single day. It made me feel more comfortable at the gym. I knew what I was doing instead of going into the gym and feeling lost and feeling overwhelmed and feeling like kind of embarrassed, feeling like you don't really know what you're doing. Also challenging because of how intense it was. You sweat so much, and after you're done, you feel actually amazing and you have the energy to actually finish the rest of your workout. I felt more active, I felt more lighter. I felt like I actually wanted to go to the gym. I was excited to go to the gym. Felt like the cardio workout plus my weighted workouts and body workouts all kind of worked together to create a really good workout for me. And it was something that I knew how to do. It's something that I felt comfortable doing and something that I actually looked forward and loved doing. If you are in a rough spot right now or you have been in a rough spot, I recommend that you go to the gym. Promise, you're gonna feel so much better. And it's gonna make you feel so much better about yourself and so much better about your body. You're gonna feel like you're moving towards something. You're gonna feel like you're working towards a goal, and you're gonna feel more put together. I'd recommend that you start with cardio and then you slowly work up to maybe weighted workouts, body workouts, whatever you're comfortable with. Focus on the things that you want to work on and make goals to actually reach them. This cardio workout actually changed my life. And if I could do it when I was in the darkest place I've ever been, then I promise, and you guys can also do it as well. Aside from me personally pushing myself to go and wanting to go, I actually had amazing support. So I'm so thankful for all the amazing people in my life. Also, thank you to you guys who have been supporting me and messaging me, checking in on me, just hyping me up. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are actually amazing. Also wanted to thank Lauren Giraldo. Thank you, girl, so much. She always talks about in her videos how she loves to see how her workout has inspired people or helped people get out of dark places or just stuff like that. And I'm one of those people. And if you guys want a daily reminder to go to the gym, then make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Dates, everything is on TikTok as well, so make sure you follow me on that as well. If you guys would like a more in-depth video about my workouts or my diet or anything, make sure you guys let me know down below what you guys want to see next. I'm gonna be making a video every single week. If you guys have anything you guys want to see, let me know down below. If this has helped you, let me know down below. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Other video did so amazing, so I'll link it also. Check out my other video. I have almost 10,000 views, or around 10,000 views, and I'm so excited and so blessed for that. So thank you guys so freaking much for watching the video and supporting me, and for commenting. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all you guys' support all the time. I see all your messages, I see all your comments. It really means so much to me, especially recently, how my life has been completely kind of 360'd, and it just feels so good to know that I have people that love me and support me and that care about me. And I hope that from now on I can do things that I love. I love making videos for you guys. I love making content. I love it, and I put it on hold so I could deal with some personal things. And so I thank you guys for waiting out with me, and for and being patient, and for being here for me. So thank you guys so much. I have so much love for you guys, and if you guys are gonna support me or follow me, whatever, let me know down below. I will follow you guys back, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm so excited for it, and I'm so excited for this journey. I love you guys so much.